smoked cheese on the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grille. It's the weekend once again, and we are out at the lake, and today we're going to make smoked cheese on the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grille. It's a popular favorite amongst my lake friends here. Stay tuned, it's going to be good, and be sure to watch all the way through. We're going to do a special cocktail to go along with this, something a little different. Be sure to watch for that. All right, first thing we need to do is get the pellets in our Ninja smoker. We are going to be using cherry wood pellets, and so what we need to do is just take our cup and add them to our grill. Okay, now that we've got our pellets in the grill, we need to turn the dial to smoker, and we're going to take the temperature down all the way down to its lowest setting, which is, when you get all the way down, it'll say CLD for cold. There it is. And then we want to set our timer. We're going to go 2 hours on the smoker. All right, and then we just get it started. It's going to ignite those pellets, but it's not going to engage the grill element, so it'll be a cold smoke. So we'll just wait for Ninja to get that smoke going, and then we'll get the cheese. Okay, the smoker is ready to go. So we're gonna put the cheese on there. Doesn't really matter how you line them up on there, just make sure you make note of which one goes where. Sometimes they look the same. In this case, it's fairly obvious that which one's which, so I'm not too worried about it. But also need to make sure that the lid will close. Those are kind of tall. Oh, we're going to have to lay them down. That's okay. We can do that. Just rearrange them a little bit here. They are nothing if not adaptable. Okay, there we go. Alright, now we got our cheeses all lined up. The smoke is ready to go. We're going to let that go for a couple hours, and we'll check back in, see how our cheese is. It's been about an hour. Let's take a look at these and see if we need to flip them over. We'll let them go a little longer before we flip them. A little more smoke on them. Alright, we'll check back. Okay, it's been about an hour and about 20 minutes, and we'll go ahead and flip them over. And we get both sides smoked. It'll be a little tricky. Yeah, coming along real nice. Sweating a little bit. It is a little warm. It is summer here, so they will sweat. It's about 85 degrees outside right now. This is kind of a fall type of thing, but we're giving it a try anyway. It's not too bad. It shouldn't be a problem. But when it is warmer out, they tend to sweat a little more. That's okay. Sweating is not a problem. I'm sweating too. It's a little warm. All right, we'll let that go probably another 30 minutes at least, and we'll check back in again. All right, let's check this out here. It's been 2 hours. Oh, yep, we definitely need to get those off. It's starting to get really warm out, and there looks like the mozzarella is starting to melt, so definitely need to get those off. They're all a little sweaty. They look good though. Rearrange these a little bit. I don't know, the brie may not have taken a lot of smoke on, but that's okay. I think it'll be fine. Do that. Okay, this one's going to be a tricky one here. The mozzarella is starting to go places. Okay, all right, we've got them off of the smoker, and we'll get them inside, let them set to cool down just a little bit. We'll pat off some of the moisture on those, and then we'll get them into Ziplocs and get them in the refrigerator for a couple of weeks. We'd use the vacuum sealer if we were at home, but we're out at the lake, so we'll just put them in Ziplocs, get as much of the air out as we can, get them in the fridge. You could eat it now, but they're a little bitter. You want to kind of let them refrigerate for a while to let the smoke flavors meld and mellow out a little bit. So, okay, to make our old-fashioned, we need a bourbon or a rye or a whiskey. We're going to use Knob Creek Kentucky Straight Bourbon, simple syrup, Angostura bitters, and we're going to use an orange peel a little bit later on. And we have our smoking lid, and we're going to use maple wood chips tonight. The Old Fashioned is a bourbon drink that started. So that does it for smoked cheese on the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grill. As I said, we'll get those into some Ziploc bags, get the air out as much as we can, get them into the refrigerator for about 2 weeks, let them age and meld, the smoke flavors meld into the cheese and mellow out a little bit. As always, thanks for tuning in to Smokin and Drinkin. Be sure to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. As always, Prost!